When a group like this comes together, what a powerful experience that is. And you have individual leaders, Black leaders, who come together collectively to have dialogue and to be able to share and talk about what we can do to a greater extent. That's even more powerful.
It's really great to see so many partners coming together from across Pittsburgh. The Race and Lecture Series is a lecture series to bring together speakers like Jeffrey Robinson, who can really inspire our faculty.
What's really important about this initiative is that the city of Pittsburgh is a great place, but it's not great for everybody. I'm a Pittsburgh native. I love this city, and so it breaks my heart when great people are coming here and they're not connected and then they leave the city. And so this initiative to bring people here to talk about how you grow in your academic career, I think is going to be really important.
This is a step in the right direction. You bring in professionals from out of the area to help share their experiences that we can glean from that information and help move us forward.
To see all of these Black leaders from around our region come together and talk about this partnership as we launch the effort to connect our faculty to the broader Pittsburgh community, really trying to make an opportunity for our faculty to have an experience that ties them to Pittsburgh, that not just recruit people, but the idea is to retain them and help them enjoy living, learning, worshiping, playing in the city of Pittsburgh.